The stone sphere is the name given to the piece of land on which we live and set foot. The Earth round consists of various physical and chemical properties from the inside out, and each of these layers has a spherical shape. This sphere is from the outside to the inside, respectively, the atmosphere, air sphere, the biosphere, living sphere, the hydrosphere, water sphere, and the lithosphere, rock sphere. Features. The thickness of the lithosphere layer is not the same everywhere, and it is the thinnest layer in the world, about 70 kilometers on the ocean floor and 100 kilometers on the continents. It can be in thickness and consists of a large number of mosaic-shaped pieces called plates, bordered by large fracture zones. As resistance descends from this layer, it moves to another environment where there is magma, which is more fluid and dense. This layer is called a mantle. Starting at a depth of 100 kilometers from the Earth, the rocks in the mantle reach a temperature high enough to lose their robustness to a large extent. Areas where rocks become plastic, easily shape-shifting, such as butterscotch or pitch, are called the asthenosphere weak sphere. The asthenosphere extends to a depth of 350 kilometers. The lithosphere is located above this layer. Lithospheric plates in the Earth, which again belong to the upper mantle and start at a depth of 70 to 100 kilometers and 200 kilometers. It floats on the asthenosphere, which descends deep and qualifies as a low-speed zone. Structure and movements. Our information about the inside of the Earth is second-hand, except for the top layers. Most of the information about the Earth, which tries to understand its structure through earth science, geology, studies, is obtained through the study of seismic waves. It is known that natural or artificial seismic waves formed by scientists as a result of earthquakes behave differently in layers of different structures. As a result of studying the behavior of these waves moving within the Earth, the internal structure of the Earth can be understood. In the center of the Earth is the inner core, consisting of nickel and iron in the solid state. The outer core, surrounding this core consists of nickel and iron, which are in a liquid state because the melting point falls due to the sulfur and oxygen in it. Although it has cooled for 4.5 billion years, the core, which is still very hot, is a factor in the formation of the Earth's magnetic field. The mantle, which comes later and is divided into two parts as the lower mantle and upper mantle, contains magma consisting of partially or completely molten rocks. After the mantle, which contains iron, magnesium, silicon and oxygen-rich minerals, there is the crust, which is the thinnest of these layers and contains oceans and continents.